Hi guys, Angie72442, and we have Chris with us today.
Hello.
And we're going to open the Single Strike Urshifu VMAX Premium Collection. I got this the day at Walmart when they were marked down to $20. So we're going to open one and see what we get. Alright, let's see. Alright, we have, watch it. Okay, there we go. Alright, so we have an Urshifu, Single Strike Urshifu VMAX, or is it a V?
VMAX.
VMAX. Jumbo card, and then we have the small card to go with it, the Urshifu VMAX. And then we have a Single Strike Urshifu V to go with those two. And then we also have a Single Strike Reverse Holo Energy card to go with them.
And then we got each 4 packs.
And we each have 4 packs. Oh, I'll have to cut that out. Code card.
Yeah, Mom, watch out for the code card.
Yeah, I know. Alright, so what kind of pack is that one? What's the name of it?
Darkness Blaze.
Darkness Ablaze. Alright, I got one here. We'll both open them. Oh, watch out. The code card is up.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, right there. Alright. Here we go. Purloin. Jigglypuff. Phoebus. Trapinch. Golett. Hold on, slow down.
Well, I thought you
Bulbasaur.
put it down.
Torchic.
Put it down.
Rookidee. Now just go slow. Paris. Teddy Ursa. Not that slow, you dingbat. It's a reverse holo Cubchoo. Ferret.
Just following your instructions.
Escalier. A rare Escalier, but it is not Escavalier. Escavalier. It is not a holo though. We got Yellhorn. Fighting Energy. Flaffy. Dartrix. Grass Energy.
Oh, my bad.
Turbo Patch, Reverse Holo Dunsparce, Kaboo. Just be careful, you can't bend the cards. And then I got a rare Flygon, but it is not holo. What are you opening now? Battle Styles?
Yep.
Okay. Alright. Watch out. Code card is turned incorrectly. Alright. Let's see what we can get. Sizzlipede. Brillish. Spearow. Cubone. Onyx. Zubat. Bellsprout. Spearow. Mr. Mime. Fomantis. Luxio. Reverse Holo Fomantis. Weepinbell. Ooh! A rare Luxray Holo. Indeedee. Electric Energy. Grass Energy. Single Strike Scroll of Scorn. Reverse Holo Bruxish. Heatmore. And a rare Salazzle. So, that's about the best thing so far.
I have it out.
Vivid Voltage is one I'm opening now. Alright. Code card goes to the side. I have a good feeling about this pack that's left. My last pack. Do you want to trade?
No.
Okay. Alright, we got Choodle. Drillbur. Railu. Wilmer. Eevee. Cottony. Seedot. Clubopus. Electrike. Electrike, Swallow, Reverse
Good.
Holo Leon. You have a Lantula
Oh, dang.
and a rare Crocodile.
A rare.
Crocorock. Sorry.
Figured
No,
out.
it is a crocodile, isn't it?
Crocodile.
Yeah.
Crocodile.
Aromatic Energy.
Oh.
Dark Energy, Lightning Energy, Electric Energy. Trumbeak. Oh, we got a rare Clefable, and we got Nessa. I got a Reverse Holo Excadrill, and we got a Charmeleon. So we're down to our last pack out of this. Yeah. You better hope it's a good one.
I know.
But you're still winning because you got the Deluxio Holo. Because we aren't really getting much of anything in these packs. Guess that's why Walmart had them marked down to 20 bucks. They knew they were suckers. We were suckers to buy them. Alright. Frillish. Bounsweet. Roly-Coly. Spinnerack. Spoink. Panpour. Cacnea. Diglett.
It's raining outside.
Bronzor. Yep. Rowlet. Bisharp. Spikemuth. Single Strike Energy and Cape of Toughness. Vibrava, Camping Gear, Electric Energy, Water Energy, Galarian Darumatan. It is a rare one, but it is not a holo. And we have a rare Claydol, not holo. We have a reverse holo Dadian, and then we have a reverse holo Yamper. So that box was just kind of eh, but it's still 20 bucks is still not a bad price to get, let's see, 8 packs and then all the promos. So 20 bucks isn't that bad. So I hope everybody's having a great day. Have a Poketastic day. Remember, my channel is Angie's Just Having Fun on YouTube, and my name and my ID is Angie72442. Chris interrupted me, my train of thought. Everybody, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. We like hearing from everybody. If you would like a couple code cards or a couple codes for the online trading card game, please contact me via my email, and I will try and get some to you in an email. But as for that, that's it for now. Hope everybody's doing well. Bye, guys.